everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. We're cutting off some sweet corn because our first sweet corn harvest is coming in. Sorry about the mess. I just canned salsa yesterday. The garden's coming in. First of all, I put the first batch of corn in boiling water and I'm leaving it boil for 8 minutes. And then I'll be back and tell you how to finish off. This is the blanching of the corn to be froze in the freezer. Hey everybody, here's our corn. It's out of the hot water. It was boiled for 8 minutes. Now it's going to be 8 minutes in ice water to break down the enzymes in your corn so it's ready to cut off. This corn here's already been done. We'll be back and I'll show you how to cut off the corn. Okay, let's get our corn cut off. Here's how you do it. You take an ear. Oop, the other one's ready and ready to take out the ice water. The biggest thing is don't cut too deep into the cob or it'll taste like the cob. Ouch. Don't hit your hand on the pan. But you can scrape the juice out, and that because the juice makes it taste better. Just don't cut too deep into the cob. And when you cut off corn, number one thing is to make sure you have a container for compost very close to you so you don't string corn stuff everywhere. Then you can use a freezer bag or you can use a food saver bag and make sure you put the date and what it is, because you know it, so you know what it is when it goes in the freezer. Thank you for tuning in. Hope this helped you. But the biggest thing is blanching breaks down the enzymes so your corn lasts longer in the freezer. Bye. Here's the best way to fill your bags. This little thing. I use this a ton on freezer meals to fill the bags. It holds the bag while you put the stuff in it. And makes it so much easier. If you use a smaller scoop than that one, this one might be better. We don't need a lot because it's just the two of us, so this will be perfect for the two of us for a meal in the wintertime.